Second visualization is a report that shows for each country the minimum sales price, the maximum sales price, and the average sales price. And I wanted to enable the user to drill down by make. So I started by opening up a new page by clicking on the plus sign to the right of page 1. And then added country name to the visualization, added sales price to the map, changed the visualization to a clustered column chart, and then added sales price twice more to values, changed the aggregation method of the first one to minimum, the second one to average, and the third one to maximum. I can also make the visualization a little larger by clicking on focus mode. And now, as you see, it takes up the entire pane. I can now change this, I then change this to a matrix table by selecting the matrix table visualization, which gives me essentially the numbers by country. I then drag make into rows below country name to make the drill down. And you see a number of additional icons appear at the top. The second one allows me to turn on the drill down. So if I now click on the 2 down arrows, then I actually drill down. Now, the difference between the drill downs here and the drill downs that we created in Tableau is that in this case we drill down to the next level in the hierarchy. It is as if we had started our visualization, our report with make. I can drill up by clicking on the up arrow, and then now if I want to drill down by a single country, I can click on the plus to the left of that country. So now I get the values by make for the UK. To drill down by all countries at the same time, you need to click the split arrow at the top. First I have to drill up and then click the split arrow. And now we get all of the information by each of the countries. Now, I can change it back to a clustered column chart. And I can still drill up and drill down and so on, drill up, drill down. But you see there is now a problem when I do this for all options. You'll see that the order no longer makes sense. The reason is that the order in the column is based on the value of the first entry in the values field here, namely the minimum sales price. So that's how Power BI decides how to order the different lines in the report, different columns in the clustered column chart. Now, I can change this by clicking here and do the sorting by country name make, and now you see it goes, first I get all of the data for the USA, then all of the data for the United Kingdom. If I want, I can turn it around, of course, by doing sort ascending, and now I get first all of the information for France, then Germany, and so on. One other thing to point out is that unlike what happens in Tableau, the fields that I created that I used to create the drill down remain available. So if I want, I can very easily make another drill down from make to country without having to first create copies of the fields.